I've been dreaming of having a mini organ for quite some time now. I wanted something small and compact, very minimalist, but still carrying that charming vintage flair. And finally, I got the perfect one that really captures that vibe. Just to clarify, this isn't a true old school organ you'd find in a vintage store. It's a custom built Arduino project designed entirely from scratch with that classic look. The only knob here is a sustain knob. And yeah, sustain matters a lot to me. The cool thing is you can hold a note endlessly without fading out. With the notes set up in fifth, you can make some really fancy chords using just 2 fingers. By flipping the switch, it turns into a classic church organ and the notes are set up in octaves. There's also a transpose function built in. 2 buttons at the bottom let me transpose by 5, 9 or 12 semitones. The sound is generated using sine waves. Overall, this device has 8 oscillators allowing 4-voice polyphony. A few hidden analog components like filters are included as well. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my little organ project. See you next time.